Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm an endodontist from Jakarta. Today, we are going to watch another video about a post-endodontic direct restoration using composite resin in maxillary premolar. I use three types of composite resin. The first one is high filler loading flowable composite resin with high viscosity. Second one is high filler loading of flowable composite resin. And the third one is packable composite resin. Why do I have to differentiate between the high filler loading with high viscosity and without with medium viscosity? Because the high filler loading with high viscosity of composite resin makes it easier for me to shape the place the composite resin in shape because it has no slumpy effect. So it will stay there in its own shape during curing. I hope that this video is useful for you. See you in my next case. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy Ramadan.